Hey James, I just got off the phone with Christina. My name is Devin Norton, and I want to thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things that I found on your website you can fix really easily so you can start bringing in more customers right away. And I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending so much time taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that when I give these attack plans away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do, this information is totally okay with me. My goal is just to educate as many small business owners as I can. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is content, backlinks, and citations. Now, I wanted to mention, I really like the look of your website. It's very, very clean. It shows your logo is very unique as well. I like that you have the cross right there. It shows, having a tobacco-free company really means a lot to people. So you have a lot of really good stuff going on with the website. These animations are awesome. Just Google doesn't really care about the looks of your website. What they care most about is this content right here, all the stuff that you can read. And they want to see a lot of content on your page so you can keep people on your site for longer. So the average website on the front page of Google right now has about 2,000 words on it. And if I look at what you're sitting at right now, you currently have 628. So you're definitely going to want to get that up to 2,000 words. Your main competitor here is Precision Heat and AC, and if I go look at and see how many words they have 1,201, just about double yours. This is one of the main reasons they are ranked number 1, but the way that you beat them is by getting yourself to 2,000 words. So that's my first tip. Now, along with that tip, you want to make sure you're getting found for keywords, and you do that by putting keywords in your content. Keywords are just phrases that people search into Google to find your business. So looking at what Precision's being found for, air conditioning repair Austin TX, 250 people search for that every month. That's a lot of business if you were ranked number 1. Same with AC Repair Austin. 500 people search that every month. Austin HVAC, 150 people search that every month. You can see how this stacks up extremely quickly. And so what you want to do is put these kind of keywords in those 2,000 words of content. So that's my first tip for you, James. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important because it's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites linking to your website. That's how they judge if you're trustworthy or not. Keep in mind, they do want to see relevant websites linking to you. So you're going to get a lot more power from another HVAC company linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. Don't get overwhelmed by all this data here. I'll just explain what you need to see. But it says back in January of 2014, March of 2014 is when you got your first website linking to you. And you currently have 4 websites linking to you, and you're not being found for any keywords. It's okay, you're at a good start, and it looks like they're actually good quality links that are linking to you, so that's really good. If you want to beat Precision, they have 326 websites linking to them. Now, they may seem overwhelming, but it's actually really, really easy to beat them. All you have to do is copy them. If these links work to rank them, they'll work to rank you too. So you just go click on this. You go visit all these websites just like they did, and you'd have to get those links built back to you. Some of the things they may have had to do is like click the contact us button and send a message and request a link. Sometimes they may have to create a profile and put the link in their profile pointing back to their homepage. Sometimes they may have had to pay for a link. But this is a very, very inexpensive way of getting a lot of business. And if you copy them with that and you beat them with content, that's how you end up taking this organic spot right here. We don't worry about the directories. There's 3 spots you can show up on Google. You can show up organically. You can show up right here in the ads section. Getting here is easy. You just need to bid higher than your competitors and have more relevant content in your ad. But the last place you can show up, and really the best place to show up because it's free and it gets the most traffic, is right here in the Google My Business section or the local map pack section. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors. And a citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And a directory is just a website like Yelp or HomeAdvisor or Yellow Pages, just where you can list your business's information. So if I were in your shoes, what I would do is I'd figure out what directories AC Pro's air conditioning was in. I put myself in those exact same directories, but then add a bunch more on top. So if they had 150 citations, I'd be getting 250 citations. But that's all I've got for you, James. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I'll try to keep it short and sweet and to the point for you. So real quick recap. You want 2,000 words of content on this homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. You're going to probably want to get a total of about 350 websites linking to you so you can blow these guys out of the water. And you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And by following those 3 tips, you can be number 1 across all of Google. So I bet you're wondering, what do I do now? Well, what I would recommend for you is I would start implementing this stuff immediately, because it does take time to do all this stuff, and the sooner you start implementing it, the sooner you start making money. If you don't want to do this, or you want to just continue running your business but you want this done for you, give me a call and I'll see if I can help you, and if I'm not able to help you, I'll at least guide you in the right direction. But either way, I do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day, James. Bye.